tumbling, 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 tumbling down. Infinity funny. Meet me at the corner. Down your avenue. And I'll be patiently, yeah. Waiting there for you. I said to tune in till I'm
I need to find the people are saying that.
Nitty panic on a fire, run a with them. Kind of jam. Yeah, yeah, me I say represent Nitty funny.
on it and it from the people I say. But yes, they are road.
Yeah. So rocky. Though the road is rocky, it's the only way we got to go. The road beat children of Israel and ride on, leaving the fire down below. It will be good to be there when the gates of Zion are closed. Good to be there. Good to be there. Good to be there. It will be good to be there when the gates of Zion are closed. Good to be there. Good to be there. You can't buy your way with gold and silver. Can't buy your way with sticks and stones. You've got to walk across the river. Children of Zion going home. It will be good to be there when the gates of Zion are closed. Good to be there. So good to be there. Good to be there. It will be good to be there when the gates of Zion are closed. Good to be there.
Hands and hearts in harmony, loving one another, what a sight to see. Hands and hearts in harmony, living together in unity. We know survival is the key, and so much depends on you and me. There'll be no place for the lazy one. They too much give an helping hand. Hands and hearts in harmony, loving one another, what a sight to see. Hands and hearts in harmony, forward together in unity. If we unite, we cannot fail. Though the road ahead is a very steep trail, forward we'll cross the bridge and overcome. Together I know it can be done. The meaning of hands and hearts in harmony, loving one another, what a sight to see. Hands and hearts in harmony, forward together in unity, bubbling together in harmony, stepping together in unity, onward together in harmony, forward together in unity.
And when you're at your meal, yeah. Yeah, Nitty sound, big up, you don't know DJ Marlon sing. And the things that people say, yeah. Make you wanna live every day. Well, a little bit more. A little bit more, yeah. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more than before.
DJ Marlon.
What kind of world are we living in? What kind of world are we living in? 7 fat girls to 1 slim Gregory, 21 girls salute. Why are we fasting? Why are we fighting over women? This is the time for us to unite and be cool. So many girls in this world. No need to fuss, no need to fight. This is the time for us to unite. No need to fuss over woman. Do-do-do-ba-dee. Ooh,
Whoa, now, yeah. How could I leave? How could I possibly go on? If you should say goodbye, just like a rose, if you don't water it every morn, it withers and it dies. Promise you won't leave me. Promise you won't hurt me. Promise you won't ever make me blue. If you ever leave me, if you should desert me, baby, I don't know just what I'd do. I don't know just what I'd do. I really don't know just what I'd do. Whoa.
She's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Flower.
Yo, DJ Marlon.
She's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Flower. She always, always, always say, yo. She tougher than a rock. She don't like to stay at home, living on dependency. She says she have to struggle all day, yo. Just like a man you see, she's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Flower. She always, always, always say, yo. She tougher than a rock. Anything that is progressive, she always in a bag. She works from 8 to 5 to keep her youth stabilized. She's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Flower. She always, always, always say, yo. She tougher than a rock.
up, you don't know DJ Marlon sing.
Oh Lord, have mercy. They can run away from their judgment day. They can run away from a judgment day. It was a weak people who took us in chains to this land with nothing here to see. We didn't know just what life would be. Cause our foreparents were used as slaves. They had no choice, so they'd be placed in grave. But somehow they will regret when every wicked start to live and pray. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, I know they'll have to pay on a judgment day. But if they try to run, every one of them will tumble down. Yeah, the days are deep, and they couldn't control everyone. Every wicked man shall pay for the things that he's done this day. Yeah, I'm a Nadine, and I say the judge guide us in every way. But they can run away from their judgment day. A wicked must get paid on a judgment day. Cause if he try to run, yeah, I tell you that he's gonna tumble. Where, anywhere he go, I say the good Lord always.
A little love that slowly grows and grows, not one that comes and goes. That's all I want from you. A little kiss that's more than just a kiss, just one that often leaves. That's all I want from you. Don't let me down. You told me that you care. Remember, when you give, you also get your shield. Don't let me down. I have no time to wait. Tomorrow may not come, and dreams may be too late. A little love.
I need to find it. I need to find the people are saying, but yes, they are wrong.
Not one that comes and goes. That's all I want from you. Don't let me down. You told me that you care. Remember, when you give, you also get your shield. Don't let me down. I have no time to wait. Tomorrow may not come, and dreams may be too late. A little love that slowly grows and grows, not one that comes and goes. That's all I want from you.
I'm a lonely soldier, many miles from home, with a heart that's heavy and a will that's wrong. Behind I left a woman so dear to me, yeah. Now I'm off to fight a war that they say will make men free. I'm a lonely soldier. I'm a lonely soldier. I'm a lonely soldier. Yes, I am. So won't somebody have mercy on me? Now who's gonna hold and squeeze me tight? Now that she's gone out of my life,
now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, I'm all alone in the wilderness, searching to find some peace and rest. Although she wasn't the best girl, but she brought happiness into my world. And now I'm a prisoner of loneliness. Said I'm a prisoner of loneliness. That's what I am. Now whose voice is gonna say goodnight? Now that she's gone out of my sight, who's gonna tell me lies and let me think they're true? Yeah, now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, can you see right now? And I don't know just what to do. Yeah. If I follow my heart, I'm gonna love you. And if I follow my tears, I'm gonna leave you. But if I follow my eyes when it's crying time, I'll be crying. But if I follow what's mine, this girl will be true. If I follow my heart, I'm gonna love you. And if I follow my tears, I'm gonna leave you.
since I met her from the start. I'm so proud I am the only one who is special in her heart. The girl is mine. Yes, the dark brown girl is mine. Oh yeah, don't waste no time, no, because the dark brown girl is mine. I ain't. Come on, Joey. I don't understand the way you think, saying that she's yours, not mine. Sending roses and your silly dreams, really just a waste of time, because she's mine. No, she ain't. Oh, yes, she is, man. The dark brown girl is mine. Don't waste your time. Don't waste my time, man. Sure, man, I'm telling you. Come on. Because the dark brown girl is mine. Oh, yeah. I love you more than he. Take you anywhere. I love you endlessly. Love that we could share. So come and go with me to other side. But we both cannot have her, so it's one or the other. And one thing you'll discover, that she's my girl forever and ever. Don't feel you hope to be let down, but I really think it's time. Though she tells you I'm the one for her, because she says I blow her mind. That girl is mine, yes, because the dark brown girl is mine.
I lost my baby, but she's coming back. Yeah, she wrote a letter, stated she needs me badly, and if she comes home, I'll have a precious time. Precious time. My little honey says a new guy treats her badly. It seems to me his pretty looks hypnotize her. All I can say, pretty looks isn't all. Isn't all. Your love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world. Oh gosh, girl, your love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world. I've seen you roses many times, wanting you to come on over. Girl, I've heard a lot of things about you. People are so untrue. I want to be with you. Girl, your love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world. Girl, your love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world. We'll sip champagne by the fireside, you and me, girl. Together we will sail in the moonlight, just whispering a song as we sail all along. Girl, your love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world. Girl, your love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world.
don't need to panic. I need to panic the people I'm saying now. My ears, they are road.
Nettle Panic, yes, a 1, 2, and 3. Trust me. Don Penn says so every time. Watch this. Coming your way. No, no, no. Can't test the Nettle Panic, and you know now. Sin? No, no, no. Can't test the Nettle Panic, the massive no-no. Fresh Prince and the crew, Don Pence a big up. And if you test we, soundboy, you'll have to pack up and run away, boy. Tell them every time. Don't you know? Nitty Panic plays better dubs than you, boy. Don't you know? Nitty Panic plays better dubs than you, boy. Did you hear that? Don Penn says so. And if you test we, soundboy, it's the last W will play, boy. Every minute. Now watch this, you copycats.
Whoa, yeah. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Once you say I'm your one and only, tomorrow night me say you did my key. You gone with ball, so you're having a ball. But soon after shaking, girl, you're gonna fall. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to say you want for use. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to say you want for use. All around town, all over the place. Every man have a picture of your face. Hey, little girl, can you realize this is a doggone disgrace? You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. All what you I do, soon bad dog I go bite you. And if you don't stop, follow you. Girl, you gonna meet up on the Waterloo. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Oh, so handsome, why must you have me so lonesome? Hey, winsome, girl, why you have me so lonesome? You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Without love, just can't go on. When I was a boy, I used to say that love is just a little toy. Now that I'm a man,
see them a come. I Panic the conqueror, Jaja see them a come. Watch them.
Hey, sound boy. I see you want to go on like you want to come telling me to panic. This is the original Super Glen. I know who me I bring down. Original culture, man. Yeah, hear me, all man in man. Put on a finger pound the things and stay so. Pow, pow. Come down, culture. Come deal with the case. Need to panic, stay so.
Yaga, 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 yeah. Jaja see them a come. I Panic the conqueror, Jaja see them a come. Watch them. Panic the conqueror, they are coming to accuse us for things I know not about. They are coming to lock I down until I that them suspect I Jaja see them a come. I Panic the conqueror, Jaja see them a come. Watch them. Panic the conqueror. My good friend William Gordon and Paul Bogle was here. Messiah Gavi, and they gave him away. 1 pound of rice, big jig of red peas, 1 dreadnought and a piece of rara. Me Jaja see them a come. I Panic the conqueror, Jaja see them a come. Watch them. Panic the conqueror. The lead slide and follow seas. Who sit in Moses sea?
Killing someone. Man call watch it. Lord of Mercy. Tell them squiggly. Man, I wanna tell them. Bad boy fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but need to panic. He might kill some boy. He kill them all the time. Cause him well versatile. Sound boy. Bad boy fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but need to panic. He might kill some boy. He kill them all the time. Cause him well versatile. Sound boy, don't deal with badness, my friend. Deal with truth and right. The deal with truth and right. He not just side. Bad boy fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but need to panic. He might kill sound boy. Sound boy, pull down your arms and run. Pack up your sound and run. The deal with truth and right. In a light side. Bad boy fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but need to panic. Him a kill some boy. Yeah, the special request to the men called Squiggly and the men called Mola. Them inna the era. Some call it the funny as the champion sound. Any other song come test my sound, they will get you down. Sound boy, don't deal with badness, sound boy. Yeah. Deal with truth and right. Woo, yeah. Whoa, yeah. There's a soul great and long, yes. In my heart cries out, yeah. No, the sound that I need, the panic sound got to be there. He'll play, just in plain and light. And a mercy, yeah. The panic sound got to be there. He'll still killing the sound. Kill him in the line. Sound dead now. As I watch you walk through the gate, yeah. Then I wave goodbye to you. In my heart cries out, yeah. Oh, that sound that I need, the panic sound got to be there. He'll play, yes, him playing in the line. Out of mercy, yeah. The panic sound got to be there. He'll still keep the sound. Kill him in the line.
Yeah, Nitty Phonic sound, big up the DJ man and say
hear them saying you don't want me, you don't need me, not anymore. I hear them saying you don't love me, you don't care for me, not anymore. Look at all those pains I obey for you. Look at all those troubles you make me feel. Now you have gone and have left me, but you never get away. Yeah. You never get away. I hear them saying you left me stranded, you left me all alone in misery. I hear them saying you don't love me, you don't care for me, not anymore.
Easy, I can. Give me a nitty on it. I nitty on it, the people are saying, my ears, they are rolling.
From a little cottage in the green hill, I wrote these lines to you. From a little cottage
DJ Marlon.
Give me a nitty on it.
I love when the sun
so early to get me a cup of tea. Ooh, yeah, yeah, oh, Lord. Come this morning, finding that you were gone, feeling.
Yeah, Nitty sound, big up in the no DJ Marlon, see?
Took our walk and passed your house late last night. All the shades were pulled and drawn way down tight. From within the dim light past to silhouettes on the shade. Oh, what a lovely couple they made. Silhouette, 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 silhouette.
Play, Lord, Lord, Lord. I love to hear you play. You're the number one sound. You run the town night and day. Keep on playing that sweet, sweet melody. Play, play, Lord, Lord. King of the dancehall, whoa, King of the dancehall, whoa, ta 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 ta. Keep on playing that sweet song for me, oh, it fills my heart with melody. Cause we love to hear the number one sound play. He's the number one sound that run the town. Native phonic sound. What ta 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 ta. Native phonic.
Reggae Vibes Promotions presents Jamaica Reggae Retreat with international reggae star Turbulence. Join us in Montego Bay, Jamaica from April 18th through the 22nd, 2024. Spend 4 nights and 5 days at an all-inclusive Jamaican-owned resort on the famous Hip Strip, walking distance from the world-renowned Doctor's Cave Beach. Immerse yourself in the rich culture as you participate in a one-of-a-kind tour to 9 Mile St. Anne, the birthplace of Bob Marley. Climb the stunning Dunn's River Falls and revitalize your soul in its many natural lagoons. Chat with Turbulence. Find out what inspires his music and then listen as he performs at a private concert. Increase your knowledge of Rastafarianism with special 420 day activities.